Good evening, boys and girls. We have another flip video tonight. Tonight we'll be talking about motion in geometry. We'll be featuring translations, reflections, and rotations. First part of the lesson we'll be talking about translations. Translations means to slide an image. We can shift it diagonally, we can shift it left or right, and up and down. The important part is to look how many places over the translation or the figure slides. If we want to translate this unit 5 units, we need to take any given point and measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. Every single point in the star should now be 5 units from where it began. A reflection means to flip an image. We can flip images across the X or the Y axis. It's important here to remember how far we are from an axis. We can take any point, be it the top point, side point, or a bottom point, and count how far we are away from the Y axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the other side we must count 4 spots as well, and put the image right there. Now it's your turn to reflect this image along the Y axis. Think how far it is away from the access point. Make sure to count and take your time. Pause the video and try it now. Hopefully you got the answer right. We can take this corner and see that it's 3 points away and put it 3 points away here. We can take the bottom and see it's 2 points away from the center and go 2 points away from here. Make sure you're flipping the object. So this top part comes now to the bottom. Rotations occur in two different ways. When we rotate, we want to turn an object. You can turn it clockwise around the center point, or you can rotate it counterclockwise around that same point. When we talk about rotations or turning an object, we need to talk about three things. This might be useful to record in your notes. We talk about the direction, clockwise or counterclockwise. We can talk about the angle that we're rotating the shape or the angle of the spin. Do we want to rotate it 90 degrees, 45 degrees, 270 degrees? Lastly, we want to talk about the point of spin. Where is our pivot point that's remaining the same? Point C, B, point A, or something off the picture completely. We can even talk about the center of the object. Copy this into your notes and rotate clockwise 90 degrees from point C. We can take this image and start spinning it along point C. Make sure we're never leaving point C and we're going clockwise. 45 and then 95. We're seeing line B and C rotating B and C here, and they make a new angle of 90 degrees. If we were to measure line A to C and the new A to C, it would also be 90 degrees. Lastly, for homework, complete this question. The shape on the grid below goes through the following three transformations in order. Rotation of 180 degrees from point T, reflection across the mirror line, translation 5 units to the left. What shaded shape is the result? Shape 1, 2, 3, or 4. Make sure to bring your notes from this video and the answer to class tomorrow. Have a great night.